Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily Ogini. I'm a Nigerian living in Delta State of Nigeria. Subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Okay, thank you for being there from the beginning. I'm really grateful. And then of course, to those that are new, I want to say please join the family by hitting the subscribe button. I do live streams like once in a week, and I post videos like twice a week. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that anytime any activity is going on here on my channel, you'll be notified. To create this simple look on my face because I want to make a video with my daughter. Stay tuned as we go straight into the video. Thank you. My lips are kind of dry a little, so I'm just going to like apply the lip balm brow video because I've not been doing that really. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of my brows routine. I have more than one types of brows routine, you know, as it come we take it. Sorry, I'm going to be looking at my mirror. Okay, going to be looking at my mirror. So whenever you see me turning my eyes or looking down or looking outside, looking at some corners, is because of the mirror, so I can see what I'm doing. Apply. I'm gonna go on like this. Like this again. I'm going to brush it with the spooling brush. I'm going to go in again with the pencil and line like strokes carefully, just gently. You don't have to be hard when you're doing this. I'm going to use the brow gel that to apply a little. Just to make it natural. Bless you. My brows, I'm going in with the House of Tara concealer. Go in with my brush, this brush that looks like this, to clean up the excess products. This concealer dries down really fast. I'm going in with my primer, and I'm using this one here. Use foundation to conceal the upper part of my brows. Foundation today, I'm using the Classic Cosmetics foundation, and I'm in the shade CF04. A brush to blend the foundation because it's a kind of hard. It's hard, it's not soft like the Fit Me that I usually use, that allows me to blend easily with blending sponge. So I'm using a brush for this one. Oh my god, I actually wanted to have a shadow on today. I have so much on my mind, guys. I will just go ahead and blend everything, then still find a way to apply my eyeshadow. Today I wanted to wear full eyeshadow, but I don't know what happened. I've forgotten. There's so much on my mind, but not in a bad aspect. Okay, so don't worry about me. I'm okay. I'm getting better. I'm fine. I'm working towards getting better. Yeah, this concealer is from House of Tara. I got it since last year. It dries really fast, really fast. Just set my face using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic in the shade Gobi. This eyeshadow, I don't know what to do, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to go in with this shade here, do something simple, but I wanted to wear a full shadow, but it's fine. Starting out with my crease. Guys, I better do this off cam so I can do it fast. Change the brush. Anything that is not working for me right now, I drop it and pick up what is working. Best way to live life. I'm going to quickly wear my lashes. I'm going in with my contour. with this lipstick, like a lip gloss. A lip gloss, clear lip gloss. I'm going to go in with the spooling brush again to brush out my eyebrows and make it look natural, lots more natural. I'm sorry, I'm not wearing any earring today, but it's fine. Let's go in. All right, I hope we settled this today. Leaving now. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.